Back Pain Relief for Life Review. The Back Pain Relief for Life program is a series of 8 unique, simple, easy-to-perform 2-minute exercises targeted at specific body regions to cure back pain and restore its health. It's an alternative approach to once and for all rid yourself of persistent back pain without any medication, surgery, injections, massage, or electrical stimulation. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. How the Back Pain Relief for Life program works. Recurring back pain, in most cases, is a result of muscle imbalance aggravating from overworking of some muscles and underworking others. Muscle imbalance results in the overused muscles becoming taut while the underworked muscles weaken. Most of our modern-day lifestyles are a replica of this situation. To rid yourself of unending back pain, you must flush out the root cause of the infirmity, muscle imbalance. And that's precisely what the Back Pain Relief for Life package entails. This alternative approach to tackle back pain is expertly designed to alleviate recurring back pain, reinstate muscle balance and flexibility, optimize the flow of blood, oxygen and nutrients to the spine and back. Click the link below for visit official site. Ian Hart's revolutionary Back Pain Relief for Life package features 3 key components. 1. The Back Pain Relief for Life Core Training Video. This is a 28-minute online video detailing the exact sequence of the 8 targeted 2-minute movements you should follow to derive optimal back pain relief from the Back Pain Relief for Life program. 2.9 targeted coaching video sessions for back pain relief. This package is geared at presenting detailed information to those that want to understand the intricacies of each step of the program. It consists of a series of 9 brief instructive videos with in-depth insights into the Back Pain Relief for Life program. These videos are rich in tips to optimize the results of each movement in the program. 3. Personal coaching. The Back Pain Relief for Life program also features unlimited email access to Ian Hart and his support team. In case of failed or unsatisfactory email correspondence, the team is more than ready to give you a call to iron out your issue. Pros. This program alleviates and ultimately does away with chronic back pain. Entirely natural, no meds, injections, or surgery involved. Optimizes the back's and body's flexibility. Revitalizes the back and body by flooding the spine with fresh blood, oxygen and nutrients. Optimizes clear-headedness and the mind-body connection. Curbs chronic inflammation. Enhances deep, comfortable sleep. For more information, click the link below.